While I was asleep last night, this happened. A stranger found my little business, filled out my form, got my free samples 10 seconds later, and woke up ready to buy. I did nothing. That's the point. Day 16. We build the machine that does this. Yesterday, you sent messages by hand. Today, they come to you. Part 1. Your work is the advertisement. Every post you make for a client, post it to your own page too. 12 clients' work becomes your daily content for free, and shop owners lurk before they buy. Part 2. The 10-second reply. This is the whole game. Google gives you a free robot for this. It's called Apps Script. It lives inside your form. No install, no card. Here's the entire script. Steal it from the kit. It watches your form, grabs their name and email, and fires your samples back instantly. Watch it work. The form goes in, and the reply's already gone. While competitors reply tomorrow, you replied in 9 seconds. Part 3. Leads that go quiet. Most do. So on day 2, the robot nudges once. Day 5, one last nudge, then it stops. Never pushy. You write these 2 emails once, they run forever. Part 4. Get found by strangers. Google Business Profile. Free. 10 minutes of setup puts you on the map people already search. Your first 2 clients leave reviews. Now strangers trust you too. My week on Autopilot. 9 leads, 3 calls, 1 new client. That's $400 a month. While you sleep. The kit has the script, both emails, and the setup checklist. Pinned comment. Free. Subscribe. Because tomorrow, day 17, your first hire is an AI.